Hey guys, we hope this is end here, and I got a little tin opening, video pack opening, I guess. I got both tins. This one's only going to be the wind up Zenmaister tin, so just get started on that. Also comes with this little pamphlet for their products and stuff. So you get the Zenmaister Christia duality. Wow. I'll just start top to bottom. Nothing in this one. Geki, still nothing, kinda. Extreme Victory. Wow, this is a bad 10. Unless I get official, it's not worth it. Because these are the last two packs and still no hollows. Fabled Kadavi. At least I got a Birdman. And yeah, so alright, so pretty much a fail. Nothing. Yeah, so see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, at least. Subscribe if you want to maybe a little bit happier.